How to delete all shared posts on Facebook in one click. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can delete all of your shared posts on your Facebook account in just one click. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Facebook app and get logged into your Facebook account. Tap onto your profile on your top page, scroll below and expand the option of Settings and Privacy. Then tap onto Settings and under Your Activity, tap on Activity Log. At this page, tap on Public Posts and you will see a public option at the end. Just tap onto it. Here you will see all the posts that you have shared in your Facebook profile. Now to delete all of these at once, tap on All and tap on Recycle Bin. Then tap on Move to Trash. Also be noted that these posts will not appear on your profile anymore if you remove them. Just like so, this is how you can remove it. That will be the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated and thank you for watching.